Hello, statistics, my old friend. I've come to do homework again. Because the due date softly creeping left its worries while I was slacking. And the knowledge that was learned during our class forgotten before the AP stats test. In restless nights I read alone, found each nest of inference, state plan to and then conclude the context for all processes. I remember a time when I forgot to write context. I lost a point before the AP stats test. Describe the ho and ha tests. 0.05 alpha, maybe more. Stat minus the correct letter. A sex divided by root of n. All the formulas are written out for you. A yellow sheet before the AP stats test. Means that you use t-tests. Random independent norm. CLT sample size 30. Sample must be random and unbiased. The subjects assume independence. 10% Yes and -1. Question 6 I saw 5 more pages front and back. Someone crying in the background announced there were 10 minutes remaining. And the proctor said stop writing, you have to put down your pencils and pens and calculator. We were from AP stats.